Welcome to GS2 WebSauce blog by GSheetPress. Let's break down every column in your SheetBlog sheet and what to put in each one. Now here's what each one does. 1. Title is your article headline, shown on the home page and the article page. 2. Slug is the URL text, like best-AI-tools, lowercase words separated by hyphens. 3. Category groups your posts. Think guides, news, reviews, or tutorials. 4. Image is your featured image URL. Keep it clear and relevant. 5. Image alt is a short description, helps accessibility and SEO. 6. Image credit and image source URL let you credit the image when needed. 7. Excerpt is your short summary, shown on homepage cards. 8. Content is your full article body. 9. Author is the writer's name shown on the article. 10. Date is your publish date. 11. Status is publish or draft. Simple as that. 12. Featured is a checkbox. Tick it to make a post appear as a hero or editor's pick. 13. SEO title is your custom search result title. Keep it under 60 characters. 14. SEO description is your custom search and social description under 155 characters. 15. Direct answer is one clear paragraph, built for AI search and featured snippets. 16. TLDR is your key points separated by semicolons. 17. FAQ is one question and answer per line, using question, then a pipe, then answer. 18. Sources are your reference links, separated by comma, semicolon, or new line. 19. And tags are your topic keywords, separated by commas. They help discovery, and tag pages are no index by default, so you don't risk duplicate content. 19 columns, everyone built to help your content look better, rank better, and read better.